Let's listen to an expert Dr. Rameshwar Bishnoi, MBBS, MD, DM Cardiology, Senior Consultant Cardiac Sciences from Max Healthcare, New Delhi. For hypertension in young population along with coronary artery disease and higher heart rate can be sure of happy heart. Doctor, can high blood pressure be completely cured?
Blood pressure cannot be cured. It can be managed or it can be controlled with effective medications as well as lifestyle modification. So we can lower down or control our BP by proper taking medications. Not it can be cured. Sometimes blood pressure remains high despite of 3-4 drugs. Then we should rule out secondary cause of hypertension.
Doctor, what is the relevance of heart rate in hypertension?
Heart rate not a parameter for hypertension measurement. If a patient having resting heart rate on higher side as well as he is having or she is having hypertension, then future cardiovascular problem will happen more than in normal person. So a patient having hypertension as well as higher resting heart rate is on higher side of risk in coming days for heart attack or heart related issues.
Doctor, has there been a recent increase in the incidence of hypertension and heart attack among young patients? If yes, what could be the underlying causes?
Surely. Previously, heart attack or heart related problem was arising later on in elder age group. इन दिनों पेशेंट्स में जो हार्ट अटैक की जो घटनाएं देखने को मिलती है वो 20, 25 और 30 साल की उम्र में काफी देखने को मिलती है। इसके मुख्य कारण है सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल, बैड डाइटरी हैबिट, स्ट्रेस और अदर जो हार्ट अटैक को रिस्क बढ़ाते हैं जैसे कोलेस्ट्रॉल, डायबिटीज और जेनेटिक फैक्टर्स मुख्यतः कारण होते हैं। ये चीज हम अच्छे से कंट्रोल करें, लाइफस्टाइल को सुधारें, डाइटरी हैबिट्स में हम फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स और फैट को कम मात्रा में लें, स्मोकिंग और अल्कोहल की हैबिट छोड़ दें, तो हम हार्ट अटैक की होने वाली संभावना से अपने आप को बचा सकते हैं।
Public awareness initiative by Glenmark Pharmaceuticals.